Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you have a car guys with a timing chain, and let's say you replace timing chain tensioner or timing guides or just timing chain tensioner guys, and or another thing, you replace the variable gears for the camshafts and you're still getting a code for timing not being correct, let's say over retarded, advanced, or the angles for the camshafts are not correct guys. We'll explain what can cause that now. It's a very complicated scenario, but there is only one thing that that can cause that. Actually more than one, two things probably, but one is very common guys, and many people will not think about that. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW here guys, we make more than 200 videos. We take them completely apart guys, and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can provide those free videos to you. Now if you need to buy any replacement parts or tools for your car guys, we'll hit the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we purchase everything from. So now we've had many people come to the shop, okay, BMWs, okay, some early models of the 4-cylinder gasoline N20 engine guys, they were prone to timing chain tensioner and timing chain guide failures, and as a result people will replace, okay, or when they do the timing chain maintenance before it fails, what they'll do, they'll replace, they'll put new guides, okay, new guides and new timing chain tensioner, but people will not actually replace the timing chain and the sprockets. And what could happen there guys? Okay, for any car is that way that has timing chain. You can see this is a chain with only 87,000 miles. This timing chain stretched guys, okay, it's stretched by, okay, I want to show you, by one tooth. Okay, you can see that it is stretched guys. So definitely guys, okay, definitely a bad thing. Another thing, what will happen when that timing chain stretch? You most likely have two camshafts. Even if you have one, okay, it still could happen, but two camshafts, the distance means that from the left camshaft to the right camshaft, or exhaust and intake camshaft, it will be greater distance, the chain will be stretched, so it will make guys, okay, it will make actually the camshafts turn a little bit more, open or closed more, and the computer will detect that, because they will not be at the position they need to be related to the crankshaft. So that could be caused by a stretched timing chain, but don't just go ahead and put a new timing chain guys. Why? Because if you put a new timing chain and you reuse your old timing gears, okay, this is for the crankshaft, this is for the camshaft, right here, camshaft sprockets, what will happen guys, okay, you're going to put that new chain on the sprockets that are already with stretched teeth because of the stretched chain, and your new chain will guys fail in the very near future. Okay, it may last 30,000 miles, let's say, but it will not last 120 that it's rated for. Why? Because those teeth that are wore out on the sprockets guys will make, okay, will actually make your chain wear out faster as well too. So definitely guys, if you're doing timing chain service on your vehicle or anything like that, replace guys timing chain, guides, sprockets, bolts, tensioner, the whole kit. Don't go cheap guys, because it will always cost you more. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having a problem like that. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.